Hey guys, welcome to Tableau Online Training. My name is Anand and today we are going to watch Tableau Desktop installation. You know that Tableau supports different products, and when you want to create a visualization, you need one software, which is Tableau Desktop or Tableau Public. We are going to watch in today's session how the desktop we are going to install in your laptop. But if you see the limitations of the Tableau Public versus Tableau Desktop, you can see the comparison here. Tableau Desktop is chargeable. That means it's charged $35 per user per month, whereas $70 that's a different story. But when it is coming to Tableau Public, it's a free of cost. When it is data source connections, you can see here the different. It's a chargeable and it is a free. Data source connections wise, if you talk, Tableau supports different data sources, databases, web applications. You can connect with the Excel, CSV file, SQL Server, MySQL. Different data sources you can support in Tableau. But whereas in Tableau Public, it's a limited data sources. When it is coming to point of publishing that, whatever the work we have done, you want to publish it. You can publish in the Tableau Online or Tableau Server. But whereas in the Tableau Public, you cannot publish locally, you cannot save it locally, you have to publish on the Tableau Public, whereas in Tableau Desktop you can save it locally also. Operating system wise, both it supports Windows and Mac, both Tableau Desktop and Tableau Public also, so here there is no issue. Security wise, when the security comes into top priority, your Tableau Desktop is the best option to go ahead, whereas in the Tableau Public, no security to whatever you are creating. It is accessible to everyone, so public can access it. So who can go? The professional people or enterprise level, if you want to do a dashboard, go for Tableau Desktop. Whereas in the Tableau Public, if you want to use for personal use, you feel that it is not much secure information I am using. I want to share, like I want to explore one of my favorite football team, how they are doing in last 10 years. So this is very open data, and after exploring I want to share on the blog or something, then go for Tableau Public. But if it is something corporate data and you want to explore, then go for Tableau Desktop. Coming to point of extract, data can be extracted from various data sources and stored in data extract file, whereas in Tableau Desktop. Whereas data cannot be obtained from different data sources, as you know that there is a limitation on the different data sources. It's more interesting to see than how to install the Tableau Desktop. Let's see it now today. Let's go and open the Tableau Desktop installation site. So you are seeing how to install the Tableau Desktop. Open the site, www.tableau.com. You open the site. In the products page, you are seeing something called as Tableau Desktop. Click on the Tableau Desktop, and you are seeing here Tableau Desktop. You can try for free version. If you click on try it for free, it is giving Tableau Desktop, but unfortunately Tableau Desktop is a paid version. It is only available, only 14 days of trial is there. So for 14 days of trial, you can explore this. And they are expecting a business email ID. So let me put my business email ID I have provided here and click on download. If you are a Mac version, you can download the Mac. If you are a Windows version, automatically based on which OS you are using, based on that OS, that software is getting downloaded here. You can see my Tableau Desktop is getting downloaded here. It is taking almost some time. So wait and hold it here. And you can see my download is finished successfully. Let me click on the exe, whatever I have done. Just double click on the exe, or you can go to your download folders and click on that file. So now you can see, do you want to run this file? Yes, run. Already my machine Tableau Desktop is installed, but I am trying to show here. Click on the installation. Click, do you want to accept the terms and conditions? Yes. Do you want to send the usage details? I don't want to send. Don't send the product usage details, and click on install. If you want to make a custom installation on different drives, you can go for different drive also, you can change. So by default, whatever the drive is there, it is okay for me. So click on install, and now the installation is started. The installation is very easy. Next and finish. Your installation is done. But let's see how the installation is going on here. You can see the installation is in progress. And our installation is run. You see here my installation file is showing Tableau Desktop 203. Click on this, and now you see my Tableau is opening my file. So this is how exactly it will look like, the install thing. Now to verify whether the successfully installed or not, let's connect to your simple Excel data. Okay, you can click on Tableau Desktop, open this file, whatever the installation we have done. We are opening the Tableau Desktop Professional Edition I have installed. For you, it may ask the registration if it is not registered already, because I have already done the registration. For me, it is not asking. Now you want to connect to the Excel. Click on any of the sample Excel what you have, which contains the data. I'm connected to my store data, and you want to see the orders. Drag and drop the orders here and check. Click on the sheet one. You want to see region wise sales. Drag and drop the region and drag and drop the sales, and you got the region wise sales. You got the chart. You want to make it vertical. Each region you want to give different color. You can drag and drop different color. So this gives me a chart which is talking about how is the region wise sales it is showing, and this is how we can verify that our Tableau installation is done successfully. Thank you. Have a great day.